Google has big plans for its upcoming I/O conference that will replace the standard apps. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Google will show off its updates in Android 17, Chrome, and Gemini at the event, but they all point to replacing the menus with a direct request that the AI can interpret and carry out. That means the phone in your hand is about to feel a little less like a collection of apps and a little more like something that works things out for you. The company calls agentic automation. Imagine telling your phone what you want and it figures out how to do it. Google's Adaptive Everywhere plan extends beyond a single device, which means start planning something on your phone, continue it on a laptop, and pick it up again later in your car or on a larger screen at home. The AI keeps track of what you were doing so you don't have to start over. Google won't eliminate the apps, but they will occupy less of your mind. In Chrome, new AI features will help organize information and assist with tasks that stretch across multiple sites. Gemini sits at the center, connecting everything together and making decisions about how to complete what you ask. Google's trying to simplify matters for users, but some may find it weird to give up control and let the AI guess and complete actions on their behalf. There's still limits to how far this can go. Systems get more responsibility to be accurate and reliable, especially when they're dealing with personal information. There's also an adjustment in how people think about using technology. Apps will still be there, doing what they've always done. You just may not notice them as much, and once that becomes a normal way of doing things, going back to tapping through menus might start to feel like a lot of work. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.